What's up YouTube? I'm back with a quick analysis on Sunday. So this would be for the next week. We have a little range over here, like this is the top. So to visualize it, I would say this is the range. So this is the low for the moment. Currently we're in the middle of this impulse. So this would be the middle, some sort. And I don't see why this would be the bottom, because there's not that much support. You have a little double top over here, so it could be the bottom, but I think chances are high that it isn't the bottom. So something like this is something I believe would happen. So if you look on the 15 minutes, so a couple of days ago we had a big drop over here, so this means that there's a lot of open space around here. So maybe a little pull up till here somewhere could be logical. We still have a little pump over here, something like this, and maybe go further. Or you lose the low, you go over here, you do something like this, and then go up. Or you straight lose it, and then I think the next level would be, yeah, somewhere around here. The thing I see now is like you have these tops, and yeah, it hangs a little over here. So, and over here it does the same on the same level. So I think this is a nice point for a support or a take profit. For a long, I don't think so. Maybe spot, because the entry doesn't matter then. But if you want to have a long, I would go way lower, because it could be a big wick. There was some news around Tether that the European lawmakers were about to look into the funds or something. So I don't know what it exactly was, but there's a little bit of uncertainty around Tether, and exchanges maybe will swap with another stablecoin. I don't know what it exactly was, but it doesn't matter. It's just there could be a lot of volatility around that, and it's the 30th, I think, when it's supposed to happen or come out. So that's still a week. So maybe Friday, probably Friday will be a big day. So I think we lose the low, and yeah, somewhere around here we will have some support. Maybe not hold it, but a little pullback could be logical. Damn, that's a big box. There you go, lower. So somewhere around here, it's very nice to take along. But yeah, this weekend Bitcoin didn't do anything. There was just a lot of noise. Just doing this. That's not, you can't trade on that. So if you have a position open somewhere from here till here, you're not really trading, because yeah, there's no volatility to trade on. So if you have long or short open, I don't know which one, it either is for a very long time, or yeah, if it's for a week even, it's not good. Because the reason why is, if you have a long over here somewhere, where will you put your stop loss? If you do it over here, you will get stopped out, because yeah, when the market breaks out, most of the time it taps out the top and the bottom. So, and if you have something like this, and your take profit, I would say will be around here, or maybe a scalp would be somewhere over here. Your risk reward isn't that great. And if you have a short, let's say somewhere at the top, your stop loss would probably be here, which still is quite risky, or maybe above the tops, but then it's really tight and you'll get stopped out probably as well. and something like this, 7RR. Mm, I don't know. And then go for the low over here. The short isn't that bad. That's what I expect. I think this low will get tapped out next week, and probably we'll see the high as well. So first high and then the bottom. But everything can happen, and I don't have a glass bowl. I can't see in the future. But this would be logical to me. So either we tip somewhere around here, or maybe lower, somewhere like this, and take out the high to eventually lose the low. Something like that. But yeah, it can also be to first tap in liquidity and then go for the high. I don't see why we wouldn't go back here, because it's really big, the void. It's 2%. I'm quite certain that we'll go back here. But I'm also quite certain that we'll lose this low as well. So I don't know which one will be first. If I look at it at a higher time frame, I would probably say that we first lose the low. It's difficult. It's a trade. But lose the low and then go for the high. But then you expect to change the trend. It's more bullish if we lose the low actually. But then we cannot lose this low. Because if we lose low now and we lose this low as well, for the week we'll eventually go back here. And if we don't, then we'll go way lower. I think if the low is not getting tested over here, it looks really bad. And I think with the news, it could be that we go even to the lows of this range. So thanks a lot for watching and laters.